All right. Our friends at PointsBet are helping us here with the Offensive Rookie of the Year. And unfortunately, as we take a look at the odds here, I was outed last week as a complete gambling novice.
Yes, you were.
I mean, I apologize.
No, don't apologize. It's awesome.
The way it is.
Yes.
So
facts are facts.
Hey, plus 500, Kenny Pickett.
He's plus 500, Paul. He's plus 500.
I know what that means.
You do?
Sort of. Yeah. So he's the most likely to be Offensive Rookie of the Year. Drake London is next. Treylon Burks. Those all make sense to me. Breece Hall, fourth most likely at plus 850. You know exactly what that means?
Yeah.
If you put $100 down?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell him.
You got it? You get 850. Okay, yeah.
Do you get 850 or do you get 950?
Well, yeah, 850 profit.
Yeah.
Profit.
Okay.
Right. Net gain 850. Yes, you've already done the $100 bet, but yes, I got you. Yes. Good question, though.
Who's your guy?
This is a good one. I mean, hey, the top three guys on the board there, certainly, you can understand a little bit of like what we talked. I mean, Pickett, the quarterback, hey, all that. You talked about Drake London. I mean,
I've got my pick.
He's going to be special. Burks, they're going to try to get the ball to him a ton.
Further down.
I'm with you.
All the way.
You're going all to the bottom.
Yeah.
Watson.
Christian Watson plus 1,200.
To me, it's Watson. It's Breece Hall.
Yep, Breece Hall.
And it's James Cook. That would be the other guy I would throw on this side. James Cook is going to end up killing it in the pass game.
And he's off the board.
He's not on the board, which I'm going to, PointsBet. There's a dark horse pick by Chris Simms with James Cook.
I like Treylon Burks a little as well.
Yeah, I hear you, because they're gonna force feed him.
He's got to play.
Yes, exactly right.
Yeah.
They're going to justify that trade of A.J. Brown. So I understand that as well. But, yeah, Breece Hall, again, I think Garrett Wilson, he can have a really good year, but there's other receivers and options on the field. Breece Hall, not only with the running game, the Jets throwing the ball to him, I think he could really accumulate a lot of yards and touches that way. Watson, we just already discussed. I just think is going to be the number one guy, and I think he's going to be the guy that's going to be scary.
I'm with you.
And they're going to force it to him a little bit. And then I did, like I said, James Cook at the end of the second round. It's tailor-made for that offense and the fit and everything there. I think he's just going to get a lot of touches that really show what he's got in space. He's made for that. He really is. So if I'm going to go one here, I'm going James Cook.
All right.
Off the board, James Cook. Plus 1,300. So he's right behind Christian Watson. So my guys are at number 10 and 11. There we go. And then Breece Hall would be my third.
Hi, I'm Mike Tirico, and thanks for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe for the latest news and highlights from NBC Sports.